Hello guys, in this video we are comparing Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G versus Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G. So let's start the video and see the details about the smartphones. Software, operating system, user interface, body, weight, height, width, thickness, build quality, back material, frame, waterproof, display brightens, display resolution, display type, display size, display protection, platform, RAM, ROM, CPU, GPU, chipset, network, battery capacity, charging speed, camera, selfie camera, video, first smartphone main camera, second smartphone main camera, video, sound, loudspeaker, 3.5mm jack, sensor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, USB, fingerprint, price, smartphones price, this video.